Hello, Finley Ledbetter here from the Blue Oval Car Barn in beautiful downtown Mineral Wells, Texas. We're right down the street from the Breaker Hotel. We're underneath the Crazy Water Find. We're easy to find, and we got ready kilowatt out blazing all night long. Stop by and see us if you're in North Texas. You know, this is a 72 HO convertible we're going to highlight in a national magazine month after next. Watch for it possibly on a cover shot. You might like what you see. This car is a Survivor, Golden Glow, 72 HO. It came out of actually New York, near Manhattan, and it belonged at one point to an ex-Ford employee, and then from there it passed to another gentleman that had it the whole length of its life, and I was able to acquire it from his family. Thank you very much. We're about to start some remediation on this. This car had some changes made to it through its life, but the owner was good enough to keep all the original parts. So we have a brand new exhaust system for it. He put headers on it. He kept the exhaust manifolds. We'll change that. He put a Holley 750 on it. We're going to put the original Motorcraft carburetor back on it, and we'll clean it up a little bit. And we're going to make this a Survivor quality car that you'll be seeing around, okay? We've had it in one car show, but we've never even did more than just wipe it off. It's never had any work done to it. We're going to kind of make it back into a day two car as close as we can. So you can be looking for that one pretty soon, and you'll be seeing an article on this car, how it was found and acquired. You'll be seeing that pretty soon in a magazine that'll be out, and we'll send that out to all the followers. Let's go over here and take a look at some of the projects that we're working on in the shop, okay? Another thing we're working on today, besides taking some pictures of that HO for the magazine cover, is this 71 Cobra Jet 429 four-speed car. I found this car at Arlington, Texas a few years ago, and it's been just waiting on its turn. What we're trying to do here is put this into shape to be a daily driver or an occasional show car for someone. We're not going to try to make it a concourse car. It's just going to be a driver quality car. We've cleaned it out, gone through the interior, seat covers, carpet, went through it mechanically, put a little low-end paint job on it because this pewter fades really bad. It was outside in the Texas heat for 35 years, sitting behind a house in Arlington. It's only got 24,000 original miles on it. Most of the original sheet metal. It did have this fender and the hood replaced at some point, I believe. Other than that, it's a really nice car. It's sit behind the gentleman's house in Arlington. It was bought new in Arlington. It never left Arlington until I found it. And it's an excellent car for a starter for someone. Now, we're going to put it out for sale sometime this summer. Now, you're going to look at it and you're going to say, hey, that's not the correct Ram air cleaner. Well, it's not. I know it. That air cleaner came with the car years ago, but I used it on another car, so I've got to find an air cleaner for it. But all the original Ram air material is on it. It's the correct numbers matching Cobra Jet engine, 4-speed. It's got the correct shroud on it, which is unusual. It's a really nice car. This is going to make someone a really nice driving quality car. Okay, this is another car we're working on in the shop today. This is a red M code 71 Mach 1. This comes to us from the East Coast. A young lady and her attorney contacted me months ago and said, hey, would you help us get this car in running condition? The young lady had acquired the car in an estate from her father. It had sat a long time. The rodents had got to it pretty bad. So we agreed to fix it up for her. That's the kind of projects we like. We like trying to help people keep these cars on the road. As you can see, the grill's out of it. It had some broken pieces on it. We're replacing the grill. The bumper's done. It's sitting over there to go on it. We put some new seat covers in this thing. Actually, we put used NOS seat covers in it. Can't be used NOS, can they? Let me see. We put used seat covers in this that were in really good shape. New carpet, cleaned it up, got all the underlayment out of it, got all the rodent smell out of it. Put a basic paint job spiff up on it. We're going to redo the wheels on it like her father had them with red centers. We're going to put them back like that. Then we're going to detail the engine, get it to run drive straight. It actually runs okay, but it's a drum brake car. It's not a power brake car. Consequently, the brakes are not in really good shape, so we're going to have to do something about the brakes. So this is a car we're just cleaning up for a new owner. She's in Nevada. The car came out of the East Coast. It passed through Texas. They entrusted it to us, and we're putting it back into, driver condition for them, kind of making it look like it did when her father had it. Now, the car came to us with stripes on it. It was originally a non-striped car, but she remembered the car when she was a kid with the stripes on it. So we went ahead and put the stripes back on it and made it look like the car that is imprinted in her head when she was a kid, even though this is a non-striped Mach 1. So those are the sorts of things we can do to help out. Then we've painted the center of the wheels red like her dad had them. This is going to make a really nice low-end semi-restoration for her. It'll be a great addition. I hope she has a lot of years of good use out of it. Now, these are the sorts of projects we get involved with, everything from a survivor quality high-end HO convertible to a Mach 1 that we found that we're trying to get back into shape to put it back on the market because it's set for so many years. That's only a 20,000 somewhat mile car. And then this is a car that's been off the road since '96 that we're trying to get it back on the road in the hands of the new owner, who is actually the daughter of the original owner. So this is going to be a fun project for us. This is the kind of stuff we like to do. I'm going to lift the hood on it. Understand, we haven't even started on the engine yet. Well, maybe I'm not. So this is a Ram Air 351 M-Code Mach 1. Going to make a really nice high-performance car for someone. We'll put the grill back in it. We'll put the original bumper back on it. We'll clean up and detail the engine. We'll get the brakes to work. We'll get the steering to work. It'll be a safe car. We look forward to seeing y'all at the car barn. Come see us soon in Mineral Wells, Texas. Thank you.